On the 14th of July 1789, the French Revolution began when Parisian revolutionaries stormed the Bastille, a large fortress, prison and ammunition store that acted as a symbol of the monarchy. Welcome to HistoryPod. Despite having earlier legalised the National Assembly following the swearing of the tennis court oath, French King Louis XVI had ordered his royal troops to surround Paris. He also dismissed his popular finance minister, Jacques Necker. These actions led the Parisian crowd to believe that Louis was preparing to overthrow the assembly. The Bastille had long been a symbol of tyranny as a place for the imprisonment of people without trial, but when it was stormed it only contained 7 prisoners. One was a deranged Irishman who believed himself to be both God and Julius Caesar. In addition, there was another so-called lunatic, 4 forgers, and the Comte de Solages, an aristocrat who'd been imprisoned at the request of his own family for allegedly committing incest. The Bastille was not attacked in an attempt to free these prisoners. The mob was much more interested in seizing gunpowder from the Bastille's stores to use in the 28,000 muskets that they'd taken early that day from the Hôtel des Invalides. When the mob arrived, they found the fortress guarded by 82 French soldiers and a further 32 Swiss mercenaries. Having initially attempted to calm the crowd, the Bastille's governor, Delaunay, ordered the guards to open fire after 300 rioters broke into the first courtyard. A group of deserters from the French army later joined the mob, and this prompted Delaunay to surrender to the revolutionaries. He was beheaded by the crowd.